Hello everyone, today, we're diving into the fascinating journey of computer-aided design or CAD, an innovation that has revolutionized the world of design and engineering. Ever wondered how we went from hand-drawn blueprints to complex digital models? Let's explore the evolution of the CAD industry together. Back in the day, designers and engineers relied on drafting tables, pencils, and rulers to create intricate designs. It was a painstaking process, requiring precision and endless hours. But everything changed in the 1960s, when the first CAD systems emerged, offering a new way to visualize and perfect designs. As the decades passed, CAD technology evolved rapidly. From basic 2D drafting tools to sophisticated 3D modeling software. CAD transformed how we design. This technology not only sped up the design process, but also enhanced accuracy, enabling industries to innovate faster and reduce production costs. Today, CAD is the backbone of industries like manufacturing, architecture, and product design. With the integration of technologies like cloud computing, AI, and virtual reality, CAD has become more than just a tool. It's a gateway to global collaboration and cutting-edge innovation. Thanks for watching.